Whoop, ajoy man, ajoy. Dong, 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 dong. Eating the food now, and he is chewing it properly. Look, mommy, Luloy, very good. Tong, 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 pakitong, kitong. Let me see if there is still food in the mouth. Apa, ha, ha, ha. Loser, Luloy, food winner. Food is the winner, Luloy, loser. And chew properly, aron maluser ang food. Doing, 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 doing. Loser na ang food, but winner yapon ang Milky. Toing, toing, toing. O sige, you defeat the Milky. Pick up the Milky and drink it. Aron ma-loser ang Milky. Yikes. Sige na. Pick up the Milky and then one. Oh, nalagpot ang iTouch. Nalagpot ang iTouch. Nalanding ang iTouch. Sige, layo kayo. O sige, you pick up the Milky. Aron maluser sa ng Milky. Sige na. Strong man ang iTouch. Twink, 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 twink. Bumik! Loser ang food. Winner ang Luloy. Twing, twing, twing. Nagdugang ang food. Nagdugang ug tabang ang food. Nirugang Milky dito. Aron maka-winner ang food. Aron ma-winner ang mga food. Attack ang food. Attack. Angry food. Angry Luloy. Angry birds. Drink your Milky. Pili, gusto? Parisan. Paris, Milky. Aron makuan. Matulak. Bang! Almost defeated ang Milky. Luloy is